When you're in a wreck, you have a couple of options, some which are obligatory and some which are not. Number one, you have to contact the Department of Motor Vehicles to let them know you've been in a wreck, and there are certain forms that you have to fill out and send into the state to let them know that this has actually happened, and it becomes part of your official record. It doesn't mean it's a traffic ticket, it just is something you're required to do, and it's actually a violation of law not to do it. So go ahead and do that, and we can help you with that if you need. The second thing you need to do is you need to contact your insurance company, because your insurance company also requires, under the terms of your contract, that you contact them after a wreck. And in this instance, you tell them what happened, and you provide them with information that will allow them to pay, number one, your medical bills, which you're probably going to incur if you've been hurt, and lost income that you're going to lose if you've lost time at work because of what happened to you in the wreck. So you definitely contact your insurance company and you cooperate with them, because if you don't cooperate with them, they don't have to cooperate with you. And what that means is they don't pay your medical bills, they don't pay lost income. So definitely call your insurance company, cooperate with them, and do what you can to help them. Now, there's